I decided to pursue this exciting apprenticeship opportunity from both Coleg y Cymoedd and the service at Rhondda County Borough Council. The reason I chose this particular apprenticeship role was to build on my personal skills, to work and gain a qualification at the end of it. It's a fantastic opportunity to work with a variety of people in and out of the sector, and I look forward to the challenges ahead. The one thing I enjoy most about the apprenticeship programme is the variety of projects that it has to offer, especially when you're passionate about what you're learning and the knowledge that you gain in doing so. It's a great opportunity. Since being on the apprenticeship programme, I've learned that there is so much support and resources available from both Coleg y Cymoedd and the service at Rhondda County Borough Council. If you want to learn and progress in any way, they are there every step of the way to support you, and it's great to have the option to take the next steps and go a little bit further if you choose to do so. If I were to use 3 words to describe the role, they would all begin with the letter R. Reactive, rewarding and resourceful. Reactive in many ways, as you're constantly thinking outside the box, sometimes inside the box with this role, constantly making amendments and changes. Number 2 is rewarding. It is so rewarding. You meet a great variety of people and learn new things each and every day. And resourceful. There's so many tools available online for you to further your education. If I was giving advice to someone considering an apprenticeship, the first thing I would say is know that there's support there right the way throughout your journey. Be willing to listen every step of the way and know that the tools are there for you to progress into your next chapter in the working world.